everyone is accountable for what they say on social media.
And that doesn't exclude top-ranking state corrections officers. Inappropriate comments cost police liaison Michael Allred his job tonight. That's him right there in the back, left corner. He was hired as a state stat coordinator and police liaison in the department that runs state prisons just weeks ago. Well, here's the post that he made on Facebook while making prison visits earlier this week. He says, quote, "Visiting the prisons, haven't been groped this much since the flight on the honeymoon." And this is just the guards. He also tagged the Correctional Services Secretary Steve Moyer in the post with him. Moyer is now saying tonight that he has the utmost respect for all correctional officers and requires all employees to respect the department, their authority, and their peers.